Does your downloads folder on your computer also look like this, where you have all of your Canva designs downloaded to your computer just so that you can upload them into your email marketing? Yeah, clearly this has been my situation for a long time too. And that's why I was so excited when I saw that my email marketing platform, Kit, has a new app, a Canva app. This means that I don't have to do this anymore, and I can now directly pull my Canva designs into my emails completely seamlessly. So I wanted to show you guys that this morning in case you're in the same boat, and this can save you a little bit of time or just save you from having to go in and clean out your downloads folder all the time like I do. But before we dive into this, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and ring that little notification bell so that you never miss a tutorial or upload. Okay, so I'm at the final stage of sending out my newsletter for today, or scheduling, I should say. And I'm going to go ahead and hit send email because I want to send it to my subscribers. I'm going to go ahead and schedule it because even though I'm sending it today, I always send it at around the same time every day, which consistency, it makes a difference. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that time. I'm also going to throw in a quick little preview text option here. So make all the difference because I'm talking about smallest actions, which is kind of relevant here too, because this is a really super simple, super small change that you can make just using tools like these together, combining them to make your process a little bit more streamlined, a few less clicks. But even the smallest little actions can make all the difference. Okay, so the last little step here is that I'm going to be publishing this. One of the things you can do within Kit is make your emails public if you want to. So I'm going to publish to the web. And here's where my image comes into play. So I always put a featured image because when you're looking at the page where all of my posts show up, you want them to have an image that's eye-catching, just like you would on a blog. So I'm going to come here as though I'm going to upload something from my computer. But instead of choosing one of these things, I'm going to come over here to this nifty Canva option. I'm going to click on Canva. And then you're going to see it's going to come in here and it's looking at my recent designs. And here's the one that I want. So I'm going to grab it right here and boom, there it is. Okay. So it's got its own alternate text that comes in here. It's the name of the Canva design. So I can either think about that in advance when I'm creating the design and just name it something that I would want to have show up here. Or in this situation, I'm going to have to rewrite it. So I'm just going to say, even the smallest action can make a big difference. And then I don't make this for paying subscribers only, but I am going to make it my featured post on the profile. And I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. And then because I've set all that up already, I'm just going to hit schedule broadcast. And just so you know, setting this up the first time was actually really easy. I just went to the app.kit.com/apps, and then I found it. It was actually one of the featured apps at the time, and so it was really easy to find. But I just clicked on install, and then just like you would now, obviously I can't show you here now because I've already done it, just like when you're in the Canva app itself and you're connecting it to your socials and things like that so that you can schedule or post directly. It's the same basic process. You click on it, you just log into your Canva account, and boom, suddenly it just all appears. Okay, so if you're not using Kit yet, I'm going to drop a link in the description and the comments below so that you can give it a try for yourself. And yes, I do want to call out this is an affiliate link because this is one of those tools that I love, and so I recommend it. And if you decide to use it and you end up upgrading into one of their paid plans, then yes, I will get a small commission, but it won't cost you anything extra, and it's a super easy way for you to help support my channel. The online tools for your business do not need to be complicated and overwhelming. It's time to let it be easy. I hope you liked that video, and more importantly, that you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel and sharing it with a fellow solopreneur. And make sure you check out the description for links to how we can connect and maybe even work together.